Hi, good morning. Here is Peugeot Boxer 435. Going to show you how to replace the battery. Okay. You need to remove the screw here. Okay. Remove the screw here. Okay. Okay, and then open this up. Okay, here's the battery. CR2032. Okay, to replace it, put the battery back on like that, and then just slot it in. Yeah, press it down and lock it again. It's very simple, isn't it? This is a Peugeot Boxer 435. Okay, it's 2022 Boxer 435. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you.